Anybody who think that you can support Wike to the extent that you will order all Rivers people to be killed, all Rivers people to die in hunger. Don't you think that you are chewing more than you can? You are biting more than you can chew. You don't think that you are biting more than you can chew? You don't have a conscience when you support these atrocities and you feel that people cannot talk against these atrocities? We have federal mind. We are going to use federal mind against you. Wike, now me they tell you, you not go free fight this fight. You will surrender. Whether you like it or not. Whoever supports you, tell the person, all of you will surrender. You will surely surrender. You can't fight the people of Rivers and win. If you are false prophets, you are malams, whoever they are, you are juju men, you are marabu indara marabus, you are olukurapu, you are Ezenwine, you are Dibias. I've told you. Tell them they should cook their things very well. They should gate very well. They should pray their occultic prayers very well, because it's not going to work. You will surely fail. Now me they tell you, you no go fit fight. Wike, surrender. That everything should be shut down. These enemies of the people of Rivers State. These people who have lost their seat. As far as Rivers State people are concerned, there is only one House of Assembly. And that's the House of Assembly led by Jumbo, who have not defected. And any other people who have not defected, as long as you have defected, you have lost their seat. Continuously manipulating, adjourning cases, creating a lacuna where Rivers State, where there will be a vacuum, and they will step in this vacuum to perpetuate this evil. It's not going to be possible. You cannot continue to perpetuate this evil. So it is left on the state to rise up now. Because if the judicial powers of the states are completely confiscated, eroded and confiscated, if the authority to govern every section of the state had been eroded and completely confiscated by dubious judgment from the Supreme Court and the Appeal Court, then what are the states? They are only mere appendages. And that is not in the intention of the makers of Nigeria. We are not talking of the Constitution. The colonial government knew that because of our diversity and the propensities of wicked men who find themselves in power, evil men, principalities and power, wickedness in high places, there must be a federal state where no man will be oppressed. And that was why they enshrined in the Constitution until the wickedness of Ironsi and others came and continue to perpetuate it. And today we are seeing the most bizarre form of it. Completely abolishing the Federation of Nigeria and confiscating powers and putting in the hands of the center. There is no pretext about it. This is a fight against the Federation of Nigeria. And all well-meaning people must rise up and fight this fight before we all lose our freedom. We are trying to fight insurgency. But by our act and our conduct, We're encouraging insurgency and telling the people who are carrying out this insurgency that go on with the insurgency. We don't give a damn about it. How can any sensible judges at the Supreme Court sit down and deliver such useless, idiotic judgment and make such pronouncement? Shame on you. History will judge you. Now, they are confiscating all the judicial powers of the state. The people at the federal level, are they saints? And the people at the state level are devils and Satan. They are Shaitan. While the people at the federal level are all saints. Who told you that? There must be checks and balances. The powers of the state keep the powers of the federal government in check, and the powers of the federal government should keep the powers of the state in check. So that no one will be oppressed in this country. Those who don't understand will continue to blab. I am not concerned about whatever name you call me, whatever thing you call me. That's your business. I will continue to speak my truth, whether you like it or not. I will continue to confront whoever, whatever, whether you like it or not. I will continue to say my truth. It might cut your heart, cut your throat. Whatever my truth does to you, I will continue to say it. You will not listen to my truth. I told you, you brought a cold man called P2B, and you are talking of P2B, you fail. If you are doing protests based on P2B and others, you fail. Because I know that man is a cold man. I talked about it and the can, so you are busy. You fail. I will continue to say my truth. And today, if I talk about injustice and you continue, you also fail. Because you can't submerge the truth. You can't drown the truth. I am an Izoman. I am a gentleman of Izon. I can jump into the water and cast some fishes. So you can't drown me. By nature, it is near impossible to drown me. Because I'm a gentleman of it all. So I will continue to speak my truth. What is happening is fearful, is alarming. That every power of the state as federating unit is being confiscated today. Not under a military government, but under a democratically elected government. It is very changing. Today, Rivers State is Rivers State they are come for. Tomorrow it will be Kano. Tomorrow it will be Oyo. Next tomorrow it will be Lagos. That is why we must all raise our voice. That people will sit somewhere and say that Rivers State people should abdicate and give out our state to 1 year or Wike. Where did it come from? And using instrument of government to support this illegality, this immorality. You cannot win. You will not win. We're telling you, you won't win. Let us see the judges that will sit and say River State finances should be confiscated and all the civil servants in River State should not have their pay, all the teachers should not have their pay, our hospitals should close, our fire service station should close, our schools should close. Let us see those judges that will sit and grant this prayer. And let the whole world know that the war that has been declared against the people of River State. And the River State people will accept this war from those who are declaring this war against us. We will accept it and nothing will happen. And let us see who will bring first. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. They have gone so far. We have asked, what did Fubara do that you want to impeach him? They have not told us anything. What are the constitutional breaches that he committed you want to impeach him? Is impeachment a plaything? Is impeachment playing in the sand like kids? Something as weighty as impeachment can be thrown left, right, and center like that. Because of one man's greed to corner the resources of River State. And those of you who are there who are supporting him, and you think you can win against River people, you will never win. You will never win. Search your conscience. Restrain yourself before it is too late. We know all their ploys. We know all their plots. All that you are doing behind the scene. We know it. We are seeing it. You think we are not seeing it? There is a limit. There is a limit in provoking the people. Rivers people have not offended you people. We have done nothing against you people. But since you have supported one man who has stolen our state dry and his goons, Ali Baba and his 40 thieves, since you have decided to support him, to crush us, know that you can never win this battle. Those of you who are in Sokoto, in Kano, in Lagos, everywhere, who are supporting and laughing at them, we will have the last laugh. River State will have the last laugh. I promise you, mark this day, we will have the last laugh.